Multiplying fractions is the easiest because you can simply multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. You don't have to have the same denominator when multiplying. Let's try and multiply. 4 over 5 times 2 over 9. 4 times 2 is 8. And 5 times 9 is 45. So the answer is 8 over 45. Multiplications of fractions look pretty much straight and simple. You're right! Try one more. 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. We will just multiply straight across. But before we do that, we can cancel the 3's out because they have a factor in common. Now, when we multiply 2 times 1, and 1 times 5 is 5. So our final answer is 2/5. And finally, let's look at dividing fractions. Division of fractions is as easy as multiplication. There's just one preliminary step. Just take the reciprocal of the second fraction and then just multiply the two together. This will make sense when we look at an example. Let's take 2/3 and divide it by 3/5. So we're going to be taking the reciprocal of the second number, which will be 5/3. So we multiply 2 over 3 times 5 over 3. Now multiply straight across. 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 10 over 9, and writing it as a number will give 1 and 1/9. I hope this has helped you understanding division. Let's look at one more example. Let's take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So it becomes 1 over 3 times 5 over 4. So 1 times 5 is 5, and 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer is 5 by 12. That's it! Please make sure that you practice more problems to understand all the operations with fractions. Are we done? Almost. Let's look at a few more things. Important but easy. Adding and subtracting fractions with whole and mixed numbers. To add or subtract mixed numbers, simply convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then add or subtract them as fractions. Example: 9 and 1 over 2 plus 5 and 3 over 4 equals. Converting each number to an improper fraction, we have 9 1 over 2 equals 19 over 2, and 5 and 3/4 equals 23 over 4. To calculate 19 over 2 plus 23 over 4, we have to find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we have 19 multiplied by 2 over 2 multiplied by 2 plus 23 over 4, which is 38 over 4 plus 23 over 4 equals 61 over 4. Converting back to a mixed number, we have 61 over 4 equals 15 and 1/4. Let's look at another example. 13 minus 1, 1/3, equals 1 and 1/3 can be written as an improper fraction, 4 over 3. We have 13 minus 4 over 3. The LCM is 3. So we have 3 times 13 minus 4 over 3, which is 39 minus 4 over 3, equals 35 over 3, equals 11 and 2 over 3. Another example, 5 and 1 over 8 minus 2 over 3. Converting the first number to an improper fraction, we have 5 and 1 over 8 equals 41 over 8. The problem becomes 41 over 8 minus 2 over 3. The LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. So the number becomes 41 multiplied by 3 over 8 multiplied by 3, and 2 multiplied by 8 over 3 multiplied by 8, which equals 123 over 24 minus 16 over 24, which is 107 over 24. Converting back to a mixed number, we have 107 over 24 equals 4 and 11 over 24. Now let's look at an easy one. Example, 92 plus 4 over 5 equals, this is easy. To express this as a mixed number, just put the whole number and the fraction side by side. The answer is 92 and 4 over 5. I've tried to work through all different types, and I suggest that you please replay this video until you understand all the examples well and the concept is clear. This is very, very important. Well, it looks like we can go ahead now. Multiplying fractions with whole and mixed numbers. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, write the whole number as an improper fraction with a denominator of 1, then multiply as fractions. Example, 8 multiplied 5 over 21 equals, we can write the number 8 as 8 over 1. Now we multiply the fractions. 8 over 1 times 5 over 21 equals 8 times 5 over 1 times 21 equals 40 over 21. Let's look at another example. 3 over 4 times 1 and 1 over 8. This is very easy. Just convert 1 and 1/8 into an improper fraction. 1 and 1/8 equals 9 over 8. 3 over 4 times 9 over 8 is 3 times 9 over 4 times 8. And the answer is 27 over 32. To multiply mixed numbers, convert them to improper fractions and multiply. Example, 4 and 1 over 5 times 2 and 2 over 3. Converting to improper fractions, we get 4 and 1/5 equals 21 over 5, and 2 and 2/3 equals 8 over 3. So 21 over 5 times 8 over 3 equals 21 times 8 over 5 times 3 equals 168 over 15. Reducing this further, we get 11 and 3 over 15.